In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update contacts in Mailchimp. Whether you're managing a small mailing list or a large audience, keeping your contact information up to date is really important. It helps make sure your emails reach the right people and that your campaigns feel personal and relevant. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click, what you can change, and a few tips to avoid common mistakes. First, log into your Mailchimp account using your usual credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation panel there. Find the option labeled Audience and click on it. This is where Mailchimp stores all of your subscribers and contacts. After you click Audience, you'll see your contact list. This might be a long list if you have many subscribers, so feel free to use the search bar at the top to look up a specific contact by their name or email address. Once you've found the contact you want to update, click directly on their name or email to open their contact profile page. On the contact's information page, look again toward the left side. You'll see a section labeled Contact Information. This area contains all the basic details Mailchimp has stored for that person. To make changes, look to the right side of that section for the Edit button and click it. When you do, a pop-up window will appear with editable fields. Inside this pop-up, you can update a variety of details for that contact. You can change their first name and last name, which is especially useful if you use personalization in your email subject lines or greetings. You can update their street address, an additional address line if needed, their city, state or province or region, and their postal or zip code. You can also choose or update their country to keep location data accurate. If you have a phone number on file, you can edit that as well, making sure the format matches your usual standard. There are also fields for the contact's birthday and company. Adding or updating this information can help you segment your audience better and send more targeted campaigns, such as birthday promotions or company-related updates. Once you've finished making all the necessary changes, look at the bottom right of the pop-up and click Save Changes. After a moment, you should see a small confirmation message appear at the bottom of the page saying something like, "You got it, this contact was updated." That confirmation lets you know that Mailchimp has successfully saved your edits, and that's all you need to do to update a contact in Mailchimp.